Okay, so now we want to just put a small bit on a high wear area, right here as the stem rises. So the key here is to make the ends round. I've done that. I've already prepped it with alcohol, making sure the surface is nice and clean. Now I'm going to peel off the blue backing. This is a little tricky. You need a bit of a knife or razor blade. It's a pretty sharp knife here. And you got to get that right under the blue without peeling the adhesive off. Once you get it going, it's pretty easy. Okay, so I've peeled that off. I want to place it right over that wear area. Just line it up, put it on the center, and put it down. Yep, didn't do a very good job of that, did I? Okay, let's get it more on the center. Okay, so got it on the center. You can see that bit. But as we go around, here we got a little bit of issue there. So we're going to use the heat gun again and heat it up. See if we can make that work. There's one side. Couple of wrinkles. Just heat it up, rub them out. And there you have it.